So a quick note on gold. As many of you know, not the biggest gold bug. Obviously, gold has been, I think, the best investment idea that investors have put their money into over the last little while, last year or so. Gold has been the best performer, even when the market was going down and in bear market territory earlier this year. Gold wins, right? Whenever there's chaos in the world, whenever there's uncertainty, when the US dollar is weak, when the US economy is weaker, gold prevails because gold is priced in US dollars. We have a chart on gold, and it is really the only chart for this segment. We can show you how well gold has done. There it is. But you can see the choppiness. And gold, I guess, since maybe mid-April has been in a range, right? It's been trading in a range. And that is because since mid-April, we've been hearing about trade negotiations. So what's it going to take for the US economy to go higher, the US dollar to go higher? It's going to be trade deals. And if we do see trade deals, we're hearing one right now, as I've said, with China and the US. We're hearing rumblings that we could hear a US-Canada trade deal, US-India trade deal, perhaps even a US-Mexico trade deal in the not so distant future, US-Euro deal. If we get those trade deals, in my opinion, this is what's going to boost the US economy and boost the US dollar. And that should be a negative for gold prices. So for all of you that own gold in your portfolios today, that you've made a lot of money on, you need to keep an eye on what's happening with respect to the trade negotiations. You need to keep an eye on anything that's going to strengthen the US dollar, the US economy, because that is a negative for for gold prices. When there's less chaos in the world, and I think there will be if we get some trade negotiations, if tariffs are removed or significantly reduced, I think that is a negative for the price of gold. So for all of you that have had this great trade, you've owned gold, whether they're gold stocks, gold certificates, I think, or some people may even just own a bar of gold or gold coins and they keep them in their safety deposit box. It's been a great trade. It's been a great run for gold. I just think maybe, just maybe, that run is coming to an end. So keep an eye on the trade deals that are happening and keep an eye on the stability of the US economy.